God, Bubba Horwitz is here to shake up our day as if there's not enough shaking going on in the stock market these days. So always great to have you here, Bubba.
There's a whole lot of shaking going on.
There's a whole lot of shaking going on. So what do you make of the big rally that we had already this week?
I think that was a natural, we call it a rip your face off rally. That was from oversold conditions from last week where everybody came in short, everybody was afraid over the weekend. And when nothing happened over the weekend, all the shorts poured in and they couldn't buy fast enough, and I think that's what you look for. Those are very good warning signs to tell you that the top of the market's in. That's my opinion, but that's, to me, the market tops are in temporarily, and when you see those kind of vicious spike rallies, that tells you that the tops are in, that the shorts got trapped, they're gonna get out, but in the meantime, we didn't make a newer high, we kept staying in, we're making a lower high, and our trajectory is now lower.
So there you go. The temp top is in your mind, and you're thinking we're going lower from here.
I think we're going lower from here again, but there will be a lot of vicious rallies. You know, we've got Easter, we've got Good Friday this week, we've got a holiday, we've got a new
Market's
quarter.
closed on Friday.
Right, and which means that like on Thursday it'll be kind of closed tomorrow because people are going to start getting ready to go away. It's spring break. There's a whole bunch of things going on. The only way there'll be any real action Thursday and Friday, or Thursday, and then the futures and Friday would be if the markets were selling off. We'll see how that plays out, but again, short term, tops are in. 10 years from now, we'll be up 8% year over year from where we are now.
Well, that's just it. We're soon going to be starting a new quarter, so that could lend itself to people coming back into the market.
Sure. Look, there's always going to be buyers. Money flows into the market every day. There's always buyers. The question is, will the sellers outnumber the buyers at some time? And really what it means, because everything's got to be through price discovery, the sellers become more aggressive, and that I can see happening, and I think that it's probably healthier for the market. There's a lot of issues underlying this market that we should test the lows, and we're probably going to go lower, but at the end, if you're an investor, just keep investing and don't worry about the day-to-day movement.
Hey, I'd love to get a trade out of you before you take off.
Well, I mean, I like, at this point, there's a couple things I like and there's a couple things I don't like. I like U.S. Steel at these levels here. I think that it's probably a pretty good play. I want to short oil here, which would be through SCO. It's an ETF. It's a leverage ETF, which you have to be very careful with because these kind of degrade like options on their own. But it's a short-term play, and I'm just using the April 20th strike. I would buy a call on SCO, which is it's an inverse, so we want calls to go up, and I would buy calls on U.S. Steel, but I'd also like to own U.S. Steel. I think it's probably going to benefit pretty well. We saw what it looked like when they first started talking about tariffs, but it's been really on an upward trajectory anyways.
Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Great to be here, thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.